2020 Toyota Sienna minivan. Maintenance required. Contact your dealer. Yeah, I'm talking to myself. It's Friday. I've lost it. Okay, I'm gonna use these buttons. First of all, I'm gonna escape out of that message and scroll over. Should be a thing. It looks like a gear. Yep, gear. Okay, I'll go that way. The gear. I'm gonna scroll down to settings, push to continue, push, and I kept scrolling down to maintenance reset. I will push to continue. Reset the maintenance reminder. Yes. Push to continue. Maintenance reset complete. Yay. Okay. Some of these newer ones will have it on this screen too. It has to be a separate process. This one doesn't have that. So what I am going to do is just turn it off. Obviously I gotta first fill up the windshield washer. And start it. And our little yellow lights off and our little maintenance lights off. You're good to go.